May nagtanong sa comment section, what's your background? What's your opinion about opening a business? Dahil daw she's planning to, but with the global economic tension, she's hesitating. For your information po, I have 12 years experience in running my own business and I also do business coaching. Dun sa tanong nyo na what's my opinion about opening a business, it really depends on what kind of business you're thinking of opening. May mga businesses kasi that thrive even in times of crisis. Lalong-lalo na kung yung product mo ay in demand. Kunyari, nung panahon ng COVID, sobrang in demand yung mga testing, face mask, 'di ba? Yun yung mga uso at that time. And since lahat tayo nasa bahay, uso din yung anything na nade-deliver sa bahay. There are similarities as well with what is going on right now. That means may opportunity din para sa mga gustong magnegosyo. Kunyari, anything that will help lower electricity costs, anything solar, solar-powered electric fan, solar-powered power bank, may mga bumibili ng solar power station in case mag-brown out. Uso ngayon yung kalandeuling, may nagsabi ng mga butane, yung parang pang samgyup. Induction cooker, bumili rin ako. Basically, anything that will help them prepare in case of power outages or super pagtaas ng gasoline. Yes, I think there are still opportunities for those who want to do business, but just be careful with the kind of business that you will start. I think yung mga businesses na hindi masyado magandang itayo ngayon, anything na optional or na hindi necessity. Kung hindi siya masyadong essential at nagtataas ang presyo ng mga bilihin, baka kasi mas hindi siya gastusan ng mga tao. Anything din na marami kang overhead at the start. Kunyari, magre-rent ka ng mahal na pwesto, paano kung yung mga tao would prefer to stay indoors kasi nga they are conserving their money if it is relevant to the needs of people right now? Go ahead, start a business. Try lang. If it is risky, ikaw mismo kabado ka, tanungin mo yung sarili mo kung ikaw ba customer tapos medyo worried ka rin sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa Middle East, bibilin mo ba yung sarili mong produkto? If the answer is no or not sure, then maybe it's better for you to hold on to your cash for now. I'll make another video for mga possible business opportunities, but those are the ones that come to mind. Good luck sa'yo if you decide to pursue your business and hopefully you succeed. Kayo naman, ano sa tingin niyo ang mga negosyo that will do well even with what's going on in the Middle East? And ano yung mga businesses na tingin niyo dapat iwasan?